Sometimes gig apps act up and glitch out, causing your whole entire workday to be ruined. Today, in this video, I'm going to be discussing another Walmart Spark glitch that can happen to you, and this time the glitch will make it so that you can't use your app for 3 to 4 hours, possibly longer. Fortunately though, I found a solution to the problem, so in this video you will learn how you can avoid having your account locked for many hours and avoid experiencing the same problems that I had. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel if you've been here before. If you're new here, welcome to the channel. My name is Justin and I've taken the jump into being self-employed for over 2 years now. And I primarily focus on Walmart Spark and Instacart here on my YouTube channel. So let's get into today's video topic. First, how did this glitch happen? I accepted a shopping and delivery order, and this order only had 3 items, so I thought that it was going to be really easy. So I started the trip and I drove to this Walmart that I'm currently at, and then I went into the store and I went to go find the item. I found the aisle number and section that it should be at, and the item was out of stock. There was a suitable replacement for the item, and so I clicked I couldn't find the item, and I guess the customer didn't set up that they wanted a replacement for the item, so when I clicked that I couldn't find the item, my app went to the order canceled screen saying that I didn't find any of the items that were on the list, so the order has been canceled, and so I clicked OK. In retrospect, I shouldn't have clicked that I couldn't find the item because this is how the glitch started, but I was a little ignorant and I went about my day thinking that everything was good and fine, and I went over into the parking lot and I parked here for a little bit, worked on my computer, and I sat here for about 3 hours and I didn't see another order, so I knew something was going on. So I decided that I needed to figure out how to fix the issue because I knew that there were still orders. So I tried to do the troubleshooting that support will tell me to do if I call them, which is to just log out of the app and log back in. So I tried to do this and it didn't work. I also tried switching phones, tried using Android phone, and then I tried using my iPhone that I'm currently recording on. I switched between both the phones and there was absolutely no difference. I would get the notifications on my Android saying that Walmart Spark is retrieving my location to match me with nearby offers, but I still wasn't getting any offers. So I decided to stay on Android for a little bit and see if I would get any orders, but the time that orders normally come out came and passed and I still did not get any orders. And so I knew something was going on, but I wasn't really sure what it was. I thought maybe the pickup location freezers were down again, so they cut the day short so that way the freezers could get fixed and they canceled all of the orders that were supposed to be delivered for today. But I decided to call support and see what they had to say. Once I got a hold of a driver support agent, I asked them what was going on with the store, if it was anything to do with the store, and they told me the store is up and working and it's functional right now, so there's got to be something going on with my account. So I gave him my phone number, and the support agent, he told me that I'm currently doing a shop and deliver order for the customer that had those 2 items. And I told him that I couldn't find the item and it was just 1 item and it was 2 units of that item. So when I clicked that I couldn't find the item, it gave me the screen that the order was canceled. And I told him that my phone just went back to acting like I had just logged in and I'm just sitting there waiting for an offer to accept. So the support agent asked me to try logging out and logging back in to see if that would fix it, and it didn't fix it. So the support agent said that he was going to escalate this to the IT department, and he put me on hold for a few minutes. Once he got back on the phone, he said that he has sent out a report to the IT department and marked it as high priority, and that I should expect to see my account be back online and ready to use within a couple of hours. That's right, a couple of hours. So it's currently 3:02 p.m. and in a couple of hours it's going to be past the time that I normally work, so I figured I'll just go home and call it a day with Walmart Spark and just work on other stuff when I get home. And I don't want to sit here in the car. It's currently 31 degrees Fahrenheit outside, and I don't want to sit here in the cold or waste a bunch of gas trying to keep myself warm. So how do you avoid this glitch from happening to you so that way you don't have to deal with the same thing that I had to deal with today? First off, when you're doing a shop and deliver order that has just a couple of items and you can't find any of the items because they're out of stock, make sure that you don't hit can't find item, because 95% of the time if a customer is placing an order that's just like 1 or 2 items, they want only those items. They're not looking for replacements for that item. So when you hit the can't find item, it's going to throw your app into the canceled order screen, and more than likely you're going to encounter the same glitch that I encountered today. Instead, what you need to do is you need to get on the phone, you need to call support, and you need to have them cancel the order from their end. I've done this in the past for a previous shop and deliver order that was just for jeggings, and I couldn't find the jeggings and I didn't want to make a substitution, so I just called support and I had them remove it for me. This doesn't impact your cancellation rate or drop rate or anything like that because the support agent cancels it for you, and if you explain to them that all of the items are out of stock, then they'll gladly do this and it should be fine after that. If you've forgotten and you do hit that you can't find the items, then this is what you need to do. You should immediately call support support after you get the canceled order screen, because support will be able to help you much quicker and you're not going to be sitting around waiting for orders for hours like I did today. Even if you just call to have support verify that the order has been removed, that's a really great reason to call support. And support's number is 855-743-0457. I would recommend saving this number and keeping it in your contacts, because there's been tons of times that I'm not actually doing an order, so I can't just click the little button in the app that says I need help or help with this order, so I'm not able to see the number to call support. So I save this number, so even if I'm not doing an order, I can still call support and I can still get support on anything that I need. Hi guys, Future Justin jumping in here. So it is the next day. My account is up and running again. I ended up calling support last night at like 9:30, a little bit before they closed at 10. And I asked them about my account was up and running again. And the support agent, she told me that everything was working fine. And I logged into the app to see if I was able to accept new offers, and I was. So everything's been resolved. It took about 6 hours for them to fix it. At least everything's fixed, and it's the next day, and it's 9 o'clock in the morning, and I'm just about to get started today. So I'm happy that I can continue to work with Walmart Spark and my account's not like completely ruined. But I'll send you back over to the rest of the video, and I will see you guys later. Now, in the next video, I'll be talking about the Walmart Spark shopping and delivery app update that has made shopping 100 times easier. In the meantime, while you wait for that video to come out, I highly suggest that you check out these two videos here. I love to post content to help out other entrepreneurs and gig workers so that way they can make more money per hour. And so I would highly recommend these two videos as well. As always, I appreciate you guys, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.